YouTubers, subscribers, and friends, welcome to my channel. It is 59 degrees. As you can see, my van is gone, Vader is gone, and now I come out this morning to start my car to take my kids to the bus stop. My battery doesn't work. I mean, the battery's dead. I don't know what's going on. I'm just not having any luck with cars lately. It is very windy. We had a windstorm last night. Crazy windstorm. I see it broke some branches there. So what I got is I got this trickle charger, and I'm going to push my car over there to the plug because I don't have an extension, and my wife thinks I left something on, which I don't think so. Maybe I did. Maybe I left the wipers on. I don't know. Yeah, that was down. That could have been it. Who knows? But I took this out yesterday because I had a piece of metal that was sticking out here that the guy told me it was used for a cell phone holder. So I had to take this thing out. And the heater, when I tried to work the heater yesterday, the heater smells like rotten eggs, and I have no idea why. So I was trying to research it on YouTube, and it says check the cabin air filter, which I did, which is down there, and it's really dirty. But I don't think that's what make it smell like rotten eggs. But that's all I did to the car yesterday. But let me get my keys out and see if it'll start again. I'll try it again before I roll it over there. Starting system fault, no duh. It's like making a tapping noise. Well, I'm gonna go put it on a trickle charge, so maybe that's what I did. Maybe I killed it because this was all the way down like that, because I must have hit it with this, and I don't know. We'll see. Oh my goodness, this thing's already starting to roll. I'm not even pushing and it's rolling. All right, let me get out, make sure I don't hit anything. Alright, I got this pushed over here. Now where's the battery? What is this? Oh, there's the battery. Where's the negative at? Here's the positive. What is this? Is this the negative? Kind of looks corroded a little bit. I'm going to get a tool and clean that up a little bit, and put this trickle charger on there, and then go for a walk. Oh, honey, what you feel? While my car is getting a trickle charge, my wife wants me to change the pool water here. Oh man, look at this. My solar power rope light broke. Man, I had this thing about 5 years. Finally kicked the bucket. I have to get another one. Hey, look at that dirty water. Laying around. You're a pretty girl, Josie. I mean, Brownie. There's your Brownie. Alright, gotta clean this. There you have it, clean pool. What do you think about that, Josie? Huh? What do you think about that, girl? You're pretty girl. Who's your pretty girl? You're pretty, Josie. What do you want? We already went for a walk today. Okay, lay down. Down. Lay down. Down. Good girl. Wait. Oh, you're good girl. Oh, Josie. Ronnie, you're licking my face. Huh? Why are you so jealous? Why are you so jealous? Look at how mean he is. He's a naughty boy. Alright, stay down. I gotta pay attention to the pool. Alright, I don't need to fill it all the way up, just enough, about halfway there. I'm gonna go check on my car. Alright, it's 25 minutes with that trickle charge. Just hear like a little clicking noise. Nope, I tried calling my mom. She's not answering her phone. I can't call Larry because Larry is working at a new job, and none of my neighbors are home. So I guess I just gotta leave it on longer. Oh, this is a trickle charger, so it's gonna take a long time. But I don't even have any jumper cables in my wife's car. I hate this, man. I just got this freaking car, already having problems with it. I did have the wiper blade pushed all the way down. I know that that's how you turn the wipers on, but I didn't know if that's down that would drain the battery, because that's the only thing that I found that was on. So I got nothing else to do. I can't do anything, so I'm just gonna go for a little walk and then hopefully come back. Hopefully it'll start. That's why I told my wife I want to get a stick shift. If it was a stick shift, I could have just push started it. It's so windy today, man. Crazy wind. I was watching this guy last night on YouTube called Non-Mechanic. He was doing a review about battery jump start boxes, those little portable ones. And he was saying everybody needs to have one because sooner or later you're going to need one. And I was just thinking last night, I said, wow, I need to get me one of those just in case. And sure enough, this morning I wake up and my battery is dead. It is a beautiful sunshiny day though. My cactus aren't the only ones that have the crap growing on them. Whatever this is, that fungi. All these cactuses right here along this fence post have it. Every single one of these. So I don't know if it's because it's that time of the year, winter, but yeah, they're everywhere, not just in my yard. Well, there's like little saguaros all surrounded under these trees in this spot right here. There's a baby there right next to the mama. And then there's a bunch of little ones right here growing right next to the mama. The saguaros, I guess they gotta have shade when they're first growing. I don't know. But I do find that there's a lot of small saguaros under trees. And then I guess eventually the trees die and then they're just by themselves. See, saguaro by a bush. It's like the wind is blowing, but then I get these huge gusts of winds every like 5 minutes. A huge empty lot here that's for sale. So I'm gonna walk around here. My wife was asking me this morning, where are you gonna walk? Well, I'm gonna walk down the street. That's where I'm gonna walk. See this spot right here, look at it. See all these little saguaros under the trees here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All hiding under this tree. Same thing with this tree right over here. There's a baby one over there. Bunch of barrel cactus. Look at this. Tiny, oh there's 3. Tiny little saguaro right there. And then there's 2 more saguaros right there. Little babies. I guess this is a good spot, the soil here for growing saguaros, because there's a lot of saguaros here under the trees. More right here with more babies. This is the baby saguaro area. It's not really cold. It's chilly, but it's not really cold. But it is freaking windy as heck, man. This is one huge piece of property. There's a horse over there watching me. Huge property. I guess people ride their quads or something over here, because I see a lot of quad tracks. Like through here, old quad tracks. I haven't even gotten to the end. I got to the end in the back, but not walking this way. That's how I would look for snakes when I was a kid with my brothers. We'd have a long stick with a hook on it and some pillowcases, and we would just walk up to a cactus like this. I can see rabbit pellets there, and we would just look in around the cactus, big cactus like this, and snakes will usually stay curled up like right at the base of the cactus, like right there. And And that's what we would use the, like perfect example, like right there. And that's what we use the stick with the hook, and we would pull them out into the open. And we would use another stick to hold the head down. And my brother, my younger brother, he's the craziest of all my brothers. He would reach down and grab the snake by the head. I would hold the pillowcase, and then he would drop the snake into the pillowcase. And we had a guy who would buy snakes from us. This was like freaking late 70s. There's almost every freaking tree here has saguaros growing underneath it. See, there. The trees are the saguaros' friends. I apologize for the wind if the camera's picking up the wind, but I can't do anything about it. There's this cactus, which I never remember the name, and there's a pincushion cactus there. There's a pincushion cactus there. A lot of pincushion cactuses around here. And then you got some small saguaros. Little tiny pincushions. Yeah. A couple barrel cactuses here. 3 of them there. At least this walk gets my mind off of my car. I mean, I just gave my van, Vader, to my mom yesterday. Larry came over last night. He was so freaking happy. He said he's never ever had anybody give him a car before. He's excited. My mom detailed that car. Man, she must be like a professional car detailer, because that thing was shining better than I've ever owned it. There's a couple more baby ones there. I mean, it looks so nice. I was like, man, how much you asking for this, Larry? It's a nice looking van. She waxed it. I mean, the inside smelled like a brand new car. So he's all excited. But who would have known, man, if I just waited one more day. But then again, I had some time yesterday, so I was working on my car, and I wanted to take that cell phone thing. There was a piece of metal sticking out, and I thought it was dangerous. It has sharp ends on it, so I had to pull, like I said, I had to pull that radio center console out and get it out that way. And I must have bumped the windshield wipers, because that's the only thing. I didn't turn on any buttons or any radios or anything like that. That's the only thing that I saw was in the down position. I don't know, maybe somebody can tell me. These newer cars nowadays, all electronics and computer controlled, maybe that drained the battery. I have no idea. This car's been running perfect, man. Another swirl. I don't know, but there's always some kind of stuff going on around me. Always. But can't let it get me down. I gotta get out here and get this exercise. Beautiful sunshine. So I got nothing else to do. I can call a cab and go into town, but that's just gonna be a waste of money. Look at this, beautiful. Other than the really, really high, strong winds, this is beautiful, man. Because that wind makes my sinuses act up, my nose running like crazy. I've been walking around here for 25 minutes already, just checking out this property. This is a nice piece of property, man, because it faces a paved road, and a lot of property out here where I live, most of the roads are dirt roads. You can see somebody's been riding quads here. So, I mean, a lot of people tell me, well, I don't have trails or bike paths where I live. I can't climb on mountains. You know, a lot of people like to use excuses for not being able to get some kind of exercise. You know, I don't make these videos to make you go out and exercise. I just show you how I get my exercises, no matter what. Rain, cold, dead battery, car breakdown in the middle of nowhere. I'm always, you know, instead of stressing out, I just say, you know what, let me go walk it off here and get my exercise in. even when at nighttime, I'll walk around, I'll go down my hallway, come back, walk around the kitchen, go in the living room, you know, and sometimes I'll do a slow jog in my house at nighttime just to get some exercise in also. Play with my dogs like I did this morning. I was playing with them while the pool was filling up. There's a lot of squirrels here. The squirrels in Arizona increases your property value like crazy, man. You know, there's a whole bunch of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So all I'm saying is, if you don't have a trail or a mountain or a bike path or a treadmill, just walk around your yard. And if it's too cold outside, walk around inside your house. Just do it like 10 or 12 times, you know, instead of just sitting there and doing nothing. You know, if you don't use it, you lose it. You know, when I walk in my house, I got my headphones on and I'm watching the videos on my cell phone. So, you know, I'll watch 3 or 4 videos, which are like, I don't know, they could be 10-minute videos, could be 3-minute videos, whatever. And by the time I'm getting done watching my subscribers list, my walk is finished. There's a very, very small bird's nest here. I don't even know. It looks like a hummingbird's nest because my mom has a whole bunch of hummingbirds nests in her yard. And it looks very similar to that. I could be wrong. It could be a sparrow's nest. Don't quote me on that. But see, I've been walking around here for 25 minutes. I got another 15-minute walk down the road there to get to my house. So I'm getting pretty good exercise in today. It may not be where I had planned to go, but you know, you got to take a negative and turn it into a positive. I'm going to start walking back towards my house. And I don't know, hang out at my house for a little bit, give the car a chance to charge up. I've been trying to call my mom, she's not answering her phone. Whew, man, that wind is so strong, it was pushing me, almost blowing me over. These are mesquite trees right there. This is creosote. And this is a type of prickly pear cactus, but I don't know the name because it looks like long elephant ears. Here's my house. Look at this. I can see Brownie sitting on the back steps. That's how they look over the wall. Look at her. She sees me. I don't know if she knows it's me, but that is so funny. I didn't know that they did that. They sit on the wall like that and look over it. Hilarious. Brownie! No, they don't know it's me. It's a barricade. I thought that was going to get removed, but I guess not. It's been, I started walking at 9 o'clock. It's 10:01 right now, so got my hour in today. I'm going to go in and check my emails and stuff, upload this video, maybe edit this video and let that charge. I can't do anything else. I might even do some laundry. What's the matter, girl? I saw you spying on me. I saw you spying on me. There's the stairs that she was sitting on. What? What monkey? What monkey? Huh? What monkey? He's so jealous. Josie, you wanna talk to me? Who's that? Who's the pretty girl, Josie? Come here, girl. Come here, Josie. Good girl. Look at it. They all just want to be attention. I play with you guys over there. You guys never get enough playing, huh? Huh? You never get enough playing. Alright, shh, be quiet. Alright, well, it's a beautiful day. I'm going to go in and upload this video and edit it. Let my car charge. and make some phone calls and rearrange my schedule. So if you like these kind of videos, remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and thanks for watching. Get that goddamn going.